Good morning to my viewers. I'm pleased to be with you today. I'm Robert McMahon, Mr. Solar Energy, and today I'm going to talk to you about energy auditor training, energy management training, or you could call it the course, maybe called an energy manager's course, an energy efficiency course, saving energy, energy conservation course. Depending on your circumstances, you can call it any one of those, but the big thing is you will learn how to cut those high energy bills, stop your company, your business, or your big building or your industry scheme losing money. We don't want you to lose money on energy, and we want to train you how to do it better. Now, if you're a manager of a building, you're an owner of a business, you're a professional engineer and you're experienced, you're a surveyor, you could be an electrician, you could be a tradesperson, but you're interested in energy efficiency, well, this course could be for you. What we do, we teach you how to do an energy audit, and this is a precursor to renewable energy, solar energy. People are always asking for solar energy, but what a lot of people don't realize, the first thing you do in assessing a job for renewable energy or solar energy, you take an audit of what you've got now, of the existing plant and equipment. See if you can make it more efficient so that you can use less, more expensive solar energy. So that's what this is really the first step towards a solar energy training course for solar energy designers and installers. But you can say this is a precursor to learning about solar energy, renewable energy and alternative energy, whether it's diesel fuel, electricity, gas, petrol, whatever kind of energy you're using. An energy audit will show you what is happening now in your business, and it will point out how you can make savings, how you can make it more efficient, and that's what we're aiming to do, is teach you to be a good energy manager or a good energy auditor. What you will learn in the course is how to save energy by several means. One is getting the best deal from your energy suppliers. So you will take clients, if you're the client, the auditor will look at the contracts you have with your energy suppliers and see if you're getting the best deal, and getting the best deal from your suppliers. Learn how to negotiate for a better deal, and of course draw the graphs of your energy consumption. Now, over the long-term trend, you can over the long term, like several years, you can get trends. You can see the effects of changes you've made, whether you've put new plant and equipment in, whether you've done energy efficiency measures. That's reflected in the graphs. Also, the graphical means is a wonderful tool to identify inefficiencies, if energy is being used when it shouldn't be used. That will show up on the graph of energy consumption. If equipment's not working or controls are not working, that may be able to be shown. It would be shown if something's not working correctly. You can use it as a tool to help identify. Then you go and look for the fault. Then in just a project I did only yesterday, the graphs, new equipment was put into this plant, new pumping equipment and solar heating equipment, and when the energy bills were examined, it was found it wasn't working, and then everybody thought it was working fine, and when we went and checked it out, there was a faulty pump. Now we've fixed the pump, it's back on stream. So the graphing can show those things that people may not see necessarily. They think everything's going well, but the graph shows it's not going well. So you can use graph as a diagnostic tool. Now you learn how to do that in the course. and all the tips, tricks and latest ways to save energy, whether it's power factor correction, whether it's using two-stage startup for heavy equipment, control equipment, sensors, all these sorts of things are applicable to different circumstances. Your air conditioning's big load, calculating the load factors and having controls set to get the best effectiveness. Don't allow the people to cool the place too cold when it's not needed, or heat it too warm when it's not needed. So you can put limits, upper and lower limits on your heating and cooling, the dead band in the middle where everything's normal, and it's amazing how much energy you can save, and people just don't know the difference because it's you've got the comfort levels, you've got the output and efficiency, and as well as the savings, everybody's happy. So you learn how to do that. In the course you'll also learn how to calculate greenhouse gas emissions. Governments are very interested in this. You're interested, if you're a good citizen, how much greenhouse gas you're saving to help save the planet. And you'll identify those high energy users in a plant or a building or a factory or a business, and where to focus on to save money. And obviously you focus on the big cost items. That's where, if you can make improvements there, that's where you generally make the most savings. But the little ones are cumulative too. All the little savings accumulate, and you learn a lot about that. Now if you're already running a business, you're already a building manager, maintainer, you'll learn how to do your job better. You'll be more skilled, you'll improve your skill set. If you're entering the industry, you'll learn something new that you can build a career on. If you want to move into solar energy, this is something you need to know. It's part of any solar energy training, is to do a measure of what you're starting with, because you don't want to put a bigger system in than what you need. You need to look at energy efficiency, and solar energy and renewable energy all go together to make a total energy system of your business, factory, building, or whatever you're looking at, marine plant, ship, motor vehicle fleet operation, whatever you're looking at. There are ways to save energy, save you money, and make your bottom line more profitable. Now, to find out more about the course, Mr. Solar Energy will be running this course by teleseminar, a series of teleseminars. Go to the Mr. Solar Energy website and check out the dates of the next course. And I'd recommend, if you're really interested in energy saving and you've got the means to do something about it, sign up for the course and increase your skills. You'll have access to me, Mr. Solar Energy. You'll be able to ask all your questions. There's question and answer sessions and lots of notes. There'll be tutorials, there'll be handouts, systems, checklists and so on. So you'll get the materials to become a good auditor. And if you're entering industry, of course you can, if you make it a career, you'll be able to charge professional fees for your services when you're trained and competent, and that's a good career opportunity. And I read a survey the other day where it's predicted that in the USA 25% of all jobs by 2030 will be in the renewable energy sector. And if you listen to the news or read the papers or magazines, practically every day the world is talking about carbon emissions, energy saving, new technology, that sort of thing. And it's important for you to keep abreast of the new technology. Mr. Solar Energy keeps abreast of it and keeps you, his clients, informed through the website and through newsletters. And you can also talk to Mr. Solar Energy, bring him your problems, and he doesn't guarantee to solve every problem on the spot, but he'll give you tips and ideas, and he can go away and come back. If he's got to do some research, he get some answers for you, he'll do that. Obviously he can't do it for everybody. He gets hundreds of emails every day, and there's no way he can answer every email, but if you're a member of the club, you do the course, and then you'll have privileged access to ask those questions and help get the answers to solve your problems. Look forward to hear from you. Go to the website www.mrsolarenergy.com, and we think it's good value for money. On the site you'll find testimonials from different people and a little more information. We welcome you there, and we'd like to hear from you. Now, bye for now. We wish you well, and we'll see you again next time. Cheerio.